fun video because summer break is just around the corner and a lot of you guys are going to be going on vacations and traveling. Summer break has already started for some of you guys, which is super awesome. So today I wanted to do like a packing and traveling life hacks video. I travel a lot, which means I pack a lot, which means that I have a few hacks that just make my life so much easier when packing. So if you guys are going on any vacations this year, be sure to comment down below and tell me where you're going because I want to know. And let's get straight on with the hacks. Packing can be so fun, but yet so stressful. The first hack is one you guys probably know, but it's to roll your clothes instead of fold them because you save a lot more space, and it's a lot easier to roll your clothes than to fold them. Packing underwear and socks is always super weird because I never know like whether to fold it or where to put it. For this hack, bring a little box or a packing cube and put all of your underwear inside of the box. It doesn't matter what it is. This box is originally for makeup, and you can store all of your underwear and socks in that little box. And it's really nice because when you get to the hotel, then you can pull out the box and it's like your own mini wardrobe, and it's super private and everything stays together so you know exactly where everything is. For your toiletries, always pack mini toothbrush, mini toothpaste, mini everything. That way you'll save so much more space and it's just so cute. Speaking of toiletry bags, I like to always have a pre-packed toiletry bag. It doesn't matter where you store it, but if it's always pre-packed, especially if you travel a lot like I do, it'll save you so much time. I just have a spare toothbrush, toothpaste, and deodorant in there. This hack will save you a lot of time. If you're going somewhere cold this summer and you're trying to pack your boots and your coat, it's not going to fit. So try wearing your coat and your boots to the airport. It'll save a lot, like so much space. It might get hot in the airport, but you can always just hold your coat. This also goes for jackets and hoodies, so if you're not bringing a coat anywhere, you might be bringing a jacket, so you can also wear that to the airport. The next hack is using a pill container to hold your jewelry. So basically, I have this little pill container thing that holds my gummy vitamins. I'm so cool, right? And you just put your jewelry into each individual pocket. This helps so much with space, it keeps you organized, and all of your jewelry doesn't get tangled together. I think this is so nice, and it's something you can take from everyday life and use it to organize your jewelry, and it helps pack so well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited for summer. I have so many cool summer videos coming out. It's gonna be amazing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. Totally should. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!